Hello, everyone. My name is Ashley Peebles, and I'm the Director of Field Development for North America here at Neolife. But today, I've got some exciting news for all of you in the South Pacific. Introducing your new Digital Business Startup Kit. There are a lot of perks that come with this one, including it being so much more environmentally friendly because it consumes 100% less paper products. But it also removes all delay with someone getting started because all of these tools are immediately accessible in the new promoter welcome email. You can also find it under the resources tab in the back office alongside some getting started videos that can help guide new promoters in their first steps to building their business. Becoming a promoter here at Neolife has a whole lot of benefits, including the opportunity to earn commissions on referrals and so much more. You're able to save the most and make the most with our deepest discount of 25%. You get your own referral website, and you get free shipping on orders over $500 excluding GST. You also have access to our 3 for Free program, which means that you can get your products paid for. How cool is that? You can also earn free product dollars for growing your team and earn 3% up to 20% cash back on all of your orders. We have weight loss and fitness challenges, nutritional education that is unrivaled. A digital office suite comes with this with your mobile back office app, training, and your own website. And maybe my favorite part, access to our exciting incentives like cash and travel. This new entry point allows you to build your team with even greater ease. The digital kit makes becoming a promoter even more accessible for new customers as well as upgrading members. You can get started for 69 Australian dollars or 79 New Zealand dollars. But wait, there's more. Rewarding early renewals is something that we are proud of. If you renew before your current registration expires, you'll renew at our early bird renewal rate of 40 Australian dollars and 48 New Zealand dollars. We are so excited about this new digital business startup kit, and we hope you are too.